Pittsburgh on Monday, January 26th. Around 14 to 15 inches of snow, probably, or maybe 12 to 14 inches. Pittsburgh snowfall on January 27, Tuesday. Looks like there is 14 to 16 inches of snow and still falling. But the main roads are clear now, as we see. Sidewalks, some people have cleared and some not, but the approach roads are still a mess. Temperatures are extremely frigid today, dangerously cold temperatures. Work conditions on Wednesday, January 28 after the snowstorm. Still there is some flurries falling down. Looks like it's about 14 to 15 inches of snow on the cars already. Today the traffic has started little bit coming on the approach roads also, and the green field is absolutely clean. Office is resumed today.